Millions of Europeans of all ages are getting into digital currencies like Bitcoin to buy and invest. The EU decided it's high time to protect people who use them.
We have more than 10,000 different crypto assets now, and with a market capitalization of more than $1 trillion. So what we strongly needed was a clear order in this wild west of the crypto sphere. And this is what we did with MICA. We set clear rules.
MICA, that's Markets in Crypto Assets. And the EPP Group's Stefan Berger is a sheriff for the European Parliament as its main negotiator to bring transparency and better inform investors in a market that has seesawed wildly.
If Europe wants to be a big player in the crypto game, we need this regulation to create trust, to create companies which make some innovation in this whole crypto sphere.
And to leverage crypto's blockchain technology to fight the Wild West dimension.
We are talking about a system that is a public ledger, so everyone can consult it, and it is possible to trace the transactions that happen in that blockchain. So it is a tremendous opportunity to help in the fight against money laundering, or even in certain occasions on tax evasion.
The EU's MICA legislation can also help businesses that depend on crypto assets to operate globally.
Especially in underdeveloped markets where you don't have a strong banking sector, these assets can create an additional value to do businesses. For example, dealing with the African continent where you don't have this kind of banking sector we are used to, it makes sense as you don't have these huge amounts of costs in changing in national currencies.
And it makes sense for younger Europeans too.
It's not about only the cryptocurrencies or the so-called Bitcoin. We are talking about NFTs, non-fungible tokens. We are talking about potential for having insurance schemes using NFTs. So it's a very wide framework that we are talking about. And we are talking about a market that already has in Europe, only in Europe, has 30 million users. And it's growing. It grew 17% last year, and out of this 17%, 40% are younger users.